Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of nature and scope of operations management. In the previous video we had seen about introduction of operations management. In this we are going to discuss about nature and scope of operation management in organization. Hence we all know that operations management means planning, organizing and directing day-to-day tasks in order to achieve daily tasks of operations in the organizations or in industry or in factories. The basic objective of operations management is customer service and resource utilization, where customer service means right things at the right price, at right place and at right time. This is majorly followed by the operations management. And the next one is resource utilization. Resource utilization, it means to make the best possible use of organization resources to satisfy the wants of the customers. Different types of customers may exist in the market. In order to satisfy them, the operations management has to use different resources utilization. And the next point is nature. Nature means what actually operations management deals with. Operation management nature is the best point. The first point itself is dynamic. It is dynamic in nature because the process in that operations will go in a systematic manner and the qualitative manner. Mostly the qualitative and quantitative manner is highly important. The next one is transformational process. It is the core area of production, or it is a core area of production system. Any conversion process consists of several small activities referred to as operation. Means transformation means maybe from raw materials to semi-finished or maybe finished goods, maybe transformational process in services industries or maybe the transformation process in manufacturing sector. The next one is continuous process. Operations management is a continuous process. It goes from raw materials to packaging process and it is never ending process. The final one is administration. It is to create the highest level of efficiency possible within an organization. It helps in maximization of profits to the organization. Finally, the administration makes the organization to reach the higher heights in the society. So these are the 4 points which includes the nature of operations management. The next one is scope of operations management. Here we are having some points. These are the points which includes in scope of operations management. The students, if you get this question in examination, you please draw the diagram and mention the points, and after that give a clear-cut vision of these points one by one. Location of facilities is the first point. The foremost important with respect to operations management is selection of location. A huge investment is made by the firm for acquiring of various facilities. If it is not suitable, investment will be sheer wastage of time, money and effort. While choosing the location, the company has to take expansion plans, diversification, supply of materials and other essentials into consideration. Finally, we can say that if we choose the location or the location place of the organization wrong, the entire process will go in wrong. That is the importance of location of facilities. The next one is product design. It is all an in-depth analysis of customer requirement and giving a proper shape of the idea. In this stage, the customer needs will be taken into consideration. Designing the product, marketing and development of product and introduction of the product to the customers is the final output here. And the next one is process design. Design means transforming the raw materials to finished goods. Technology, process flow analysis are highly involved in this process design. And the next one is plant layout. Grouping and arrangement of the personnel, men or machines, equipments, storage and transportation is highly important factor in plant layout. In this, economically produce the desired output both quality and in quantitative manner, and in quantitative wise is highly required. The next one is material handling. Material handling means it is all about holding and treatment of materials inside and outside the organization. movement of materials from one process to another process, along with packaging and storing of the product. Material management is procurement and dispersal of raw materials and procurement of dispersal of finished goods or whatever it is. It deals with primarily it deals with inventory levels such as LIFO, FIFO, HIFO and weighted average. Develop a good relation between suppliers to ensure an ongoing supply of raw materials. It may maintain a best relationship with the suppliers of the organization. The next one is quality control. Quality control, systematic process of keeping an intended level of quality in the goods and services. Maybe it is a good or maybe it is a services or whatever it is. Here we are going to maintain a best quality. We are going to give a best quality to the customer. Desired quality is maintained at a reasonable price is the main important point here. The final point is maintenance management. Maintenance management, machinery, tools and equipments plays a crucial role in the process of production. It is the responsible of operation manager to keep the plant in good condition. Hence, these all points makes the operation management a good support, and it is giving the best to the organization in order to achieve the highest profits in the society. Thank you.